here. Another trip to find a spot in Tararua range. Yeah, today I go with my uncle, so stay in the front, and I'm just slowly coming, getting a bit too heavy. Hay là cho một tí tổ cột xi măng được tí nè. Kia tí con này. Bên tí nó chỉ tu à? Cái tình sáng tại tàu kiến là bên một họ nó to luôn năng nè. Cút nó được rồi, cút nó được rồi. Không kén cái cưa nữa này. Thôi cho khăn tuột luôn gì mình chỉ trong đẩy mình gì hả thì cho trốn được kia thì chẳng bỏ kế. Welcome team, another trip to Tararua Ranch, and just with my uncle, just walking to the valley through the river, and just check see any sign of deer around here. At the moment we haven't seen anything yet, so just walk in and see how that go. We'll keep the update, and we will stay overnight and we'll come back tomorrow, so hopefully everything okay. and we'll see some sign of deer around. So keep up, and yes. Around here actually quite good. But yeah, I think it's quite good sign for the deer around. But haven't seen anything yet. So we're gonna walk in past this one, and we don't touch this one. So there were one further on the top there. Okay, and will be better. So we're gonna go to the other one and camping over there. So we just leave this one now. Nice grass. So still going. See nothing yet. So probably will see something. We see a big footprint. So might be a big stag. Hopefully. At the moment, just keep going. Yeah. Sao mình chỉ theo luôn. Đi to đi sáng. Đấy. Cái to nó xuống mà. Dàn nó cho 6 rưỡi kìa. Và xì cho nóng rồi rồi. Trang đúng rồi. Tôi chơi chơi tao bảo xong. Sống rồi. Hello everyone, we are here. Still all the rifle ready. Just waiting for the deer to come in. So hopefully something popping out. Why hello. Been waiting for the deer. Nearly at the last minute of the daylight, but nothing popping out yet, so don't know what's going on, but seems to be a little bit salty around this area. Hopefully we'll see something popping up in here to see how they go. Right. Hello. Right, way up in the morning and around 5 o'clock in the morning, so we just have a quick look at it. Super. Tạo họ đi I've been waiting here for half an hour, but we see nothing you coming out yet, so we're still waiting. It's not quite good sport like what we do, but still good enough for us to wait. Right, morning team. Uncle and me, we've been waiting here for nearly 2 hours and haven't seen anything yet. So we're thinking, the sunrise now, but we're just waiting here a little bit more and see how that go. And then we might head up to the top on this end. And if nothing here, so just see how that go. And yeah, we'll keep the update. Been waiting, okay. Patient. That's the thing. We got 2 rifles set up, but this one's small. Second Darkhammer, CTR version with burst PX scope. So yeah. Bây giờ tao phải số 什么？老什么都有。这不毛利的，这边我上来就一边的，一边。这在这不等这边，要这这边嘛，人那多少，人那多少，sai lúc kia trong sợ nó thôi. Cái còn nó để chỉ mua chơi lon đâu, rồi lo cho dân đảo nó sẽ sao này, đảo nó thì mỏ lư cho mỏ lư lên thì chỉ sản tự đó từ khi mà mình tự đó sẽ thì người ta chỉ tự thì họ biết một sự trọng thì là sẽ không chán sẽ. Alright, last night we sleep here and just quickly tidy up and nice and clean. So unfortunately, no luck. Didn't see any deer come out, so we moved to a different spot. So we'll keep the update. Yeah. So couldn't see any deer popping out, so we just moving up the hill, and hopefully there was some clearing up there. So we'll go up there and see if any deer up there. Alright, we'll keep the update. Red deer. Có mỏ lư. Thì có mới từ lúc bây giờ họ đâu rồi bay luôn sang thì cả hai sang thì lấy kìa có tôi chưa khai nè. Đôi tiên láng chạy ô kìa.
Có thể lưu cái cả sát xanh.
Hả? Bây giờ
Thì cái này nghe trong đó bây giờ
sẽ đỏ bó cái xe thế. Quite a nice spot here. Very nice spot here. But you can't really waiting here, so no place to hide. So we just keep going. Wow. Hả? Bị tao mong quá nè. tây tia phụ phụ nánh bữa tây đâu cỡ tia bữa tây chọn cho khó đây để xì tôi để chỉ bỏ ra trên đợt thì cố rồi tôi ở đây thì nó có chọn che khu xe heading back to the car park. They like to see a lot of sign of the stag, but we haven't seen it yet. So, slowly walk down to the back to the car park and yeah, just see how they go. Yeah. So we've been walking from 2.5k uphill, downhill, back to where we start. So. Hello team, back to the trip. Yeah, with the quad bike. Yeah, we just got back to the truck.